Yesterday we have learned some properties of logarithm. They are log xy is equal to log x plus log y. Log xy is equal to log x plus log y. That is log x into y is equal to log x plus log y. And the second one, log x by y. Log x by y is equal to log x minus log y. Log x minus log y. Next another one, log a to the power of m. Log a to the power of m is equal to m log a. M log a. And next fourth one, log a base a. Log a base a or log x base x or log 2 base 2 or log 3 base 3. Log 5 base 5. That is equal to 1. Log 1 base a. Log 1 base a is equal to 0. Log 1 base a is equal to 0. Now you write the log 1 base a is equal to 0 is you write in the exponential form. Exponential form. So here base is a to the power of 0 is equal to 1. A to the power of 0 is equal to 1. Okay, that is the log 1 base a is equal to 0. And the next one, a to the power of log n base a. A to the power of log n base a is equal to n. A to the power of log n base a is equal to n. Now today we are going to exercise 1.2 or 1.4. Okay. So today we are going to exercise 1.5. First problem. In exercise 1.2 second one, log 5 base log 3 base 81. Log 3 base 81. Log 3 base 81. Now it is you take this side. Let log 3 base 81 is equal to s. We will take log 3 base 81 is equal to s. Now this is you write in exponential form. You write in a exponential form. So here base is 81. That is 81 whole to the power of x. 81 power x is equal to 3. Now 81 is it. You write the 3 3 is 9. 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. 81 is you can written as 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Okay. So how many times we done? 4 times. So that is the 3 to the power of 4 whole to the power of x is equal to 3. Now it is in the form of a to the power of m whole to the power of m. A to the power of m whole to the power of m. And that is a to the power of m whole to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m into n. So here 3 to the power of 4 into x, that is a 4x. 3 to the power of 4x is equal to 3. Now here what is the power here? 1. We are assuming that is a 1. Okay. Now so here bases are equal. Bases are equal. Bases are equal. Then exponents should be equal. Exponents should be equal. So therefore, so what is it here? 4x exponent is equal to here 1. That is x is equal to how much, Rana? 1 by 4. X is equal to how much? 1 by 4. Therefore, log 3 base 81 is equal to 1 by 4. Log 3 base 81 is equal to how much, Rana? 1 by 4. So suppose here, how to you write a simplify easily. What the power of 3 here? 1. So this is you can write log 3 to the power of 1. Okay. 81 also you can write 3 to the power of 4. 81 also you can write 3 to the power of 4. Okay. So here power is what is power here? 1. By what the power here? 4. That value is 1 by 4. So suppose you will take log 5 base 25. Log 5 base 125. Log 5 base 125. So what is the power of 5 here? 1. Right. So this is you can write log 5 to the power of 1. 125 also can be written as 5 cube. Yes or no? 5 cube. So that is the 5 cube. So how to? So this, what is this value? What is the power here? 1. Here 3. That value is 1 by 3. Okay? And also log 1000 base 10. Log 1000 base 10 value. So that is equal to how to you write log. This is you can write 10 cube, 10 into 10 into 10. 10 into 10 into 10. Yes or no? Right. So 10 cube base 10. So here power 3, here power 1. So that is the 3 by 1 is equal to 3. Okay? Right. Next third one, Jirana. Log 1 by 16 base 2. Log 1 by 16 base 2. Log 1 by 16 base 2. Now let log of 1 by 16 base 2 is equal to x. Log of 1 by 16 base 2 is equal to x. Okay? Right. Now this is you can write log 1 by 16 you can write 2 to the power of 4. Yes or no? 2 to the power of 4. So 2 to the power of 4. 1 by 2 to the power of 4 base 2 is equal to x. So suppose that this is directly you can write. So log 1 by 16 base 2. So this is you can write log 1 by 2 to the power of 4. 1 by 2 to the power of 4. Okay? Right. This is also you can write. It is in the form of 1 by 2 to the power of is in the form of 8 to the power of m. 1 by 8 to the power of m. 1 by 8 to the power of m. So 1 by 8 to the power of m is equal to 8 to the power of minus m. 1 by 8 to the power of m is equal to 8 to the power of minus m. So here where a is 2, m is 4. And that is 2 to the power of minus 4. 2 to the power of minus 4. So this is also you can write log 2 to the power of minus 4 base 2. Now it is in the form of log a to the power of m. Log a to the power of m. So where m is a minus 4. That is equal to what that formula? M log a. M log a. So it is in the form of log a to the power of m. That is equal to we can written as m log a. M log a. Where m is a minus 4. That is a minus 4 log 2 base 2. Log 2 base 2. Okay, right. You know the log 2 base 2 value. That is the log x base x value is how much? Log x base x. Log x base x value is 1. So we know that value of log x base x is equal to 1. So here that is the log 2 base 2 value is how much? 1. That is minus 4 into 1. So minus 4 into 1 is how much? Minus 4. Minus 4 into 1 is how much? Minus 4. Okay, right. So simply how you can write? So this is the 1 by 16. 1 by 16 is we can write to 1 by 2 to the power of 4 log 2. Now this is also we can write log 2 to the power of minus 4 base 2. So here power is a minus 4 by here power is a base power is a 1. Minus 4 by 1 is a minus 4. Okay, right. Right. So next fifth one, log square root x base x. Log square root x base x. Now square root x how do you can write? So we know the formula nth root a. Nth root a is equal to a to the power of n. Now seventh root 2 that is equal to 2 to the power of 1 by 7. Okay, next cube root 7 that equal to 7 to the power of 1 by 3. Now square root 2 that equal to 2 to the power of what the degree of square root 2. So here degree is 3, here degree is 7, here degree is m. So here what is degree here? 2, that is a 2 square. Here this is you can write 2 square root 2 or 2 square root 3. 2 square root 3. 2 square root 5 is like so this degree is 2. This degree is how much? 2. So square and that is a 2. Square is how much? That is a We should not written here 2. No, that is. So it is also can write 2 to the power of 1 by 2. Square root 3, how to carry 3 to the power of 1 by 2. So square root 5, how to carry 5 to the power of 1 by 2. So here square root x, how to can write x to the power of 1 by 2. So here decrease it 2. Now this is also can write log x to the power of 1 by 2. Log x to the power of 1 by 2 base x. Log x to the power of 1 by 2 base x. Now it is in the form of log a to the power of m. Log a to the power of m. Log a to the power of m. So what is the log a to the power of m? Log a to the power of m log a, where m is a 1 by 2, a is a x. Okay, right. So that is a m is a, so log a to the power of m is equal to m log a. So where m is a 1 by 2, 1 by 2 into log x base x. So log x base x value is how much na? 1. Log x base x value is 1. So 1 by 2 into 1 is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 into 1 is 1 by 2. Okay? Understand? Yes. Okay. Right. Next sixth one you do. Sixth one you do. So simplify how to. So 512 base 2. 512 base 2. So how to can 512? 512 to the power of 9. To the power of. So 512 is also we can written as 2 to the power of 9 base 2. So it is in the form of log a to the power of m. That is a 9 log 2 base 2. Log 2 base 2 value is a 1. That is a 9 into 1 is a 9. So you do fifth one. Next sixth, seventh one. So what is seventh one? Log 0.01 base 10. Log 0.01 base 10. How do you can write that?